Canter? Well, or whatever. Or something. Shit, we've got to go left. Not yet. No, Karen, where are you going? Fucking hell. My turn. Check out Mrs. I've got control in my jumper.
Oh my god. I hope that's filmed.
Oh, fuck's sake. Oh my days. I could see the things at the bottom, but I didn't realise the left one was a... Well, that's like one we did before, wasn't it? And it was like left, 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 left. Oh, that was the beach, wasn't it?
Oh, that's right, yeah.
We thought we were, well, I thought we were somewhere and we weren't. What's that down there? Is that a horse or a person?
I don't know what the name is. Lady
Arkle. Farkle.
Yeah. Farce. Farcical.
Yeah.
As you can see, the SJ Rick in there.
Well, when you said watch out, I thought, oh, he'll stop when he gets to us, and it was like, boom.
I actually didn't want him to because I thought if he suddenly slams the brakes on, I'll go straight over there.
Hi, thank you. Cheers. Oh, thanks a lot. That's alright, don't worry. See, if this was going the other way, it'd be nice to come up, but I wouldn't trust myself. Stopping. No. Oi.